Welcome to Shark Finishes. Today we are going to start with restoring this parcel of land. First we are going to do landscaping as our first project. So today we are going to plant coconut trees for landscape and add other trees later. As you all know, coconut trees are very beneficial and have good aesthetic value. Also, they beautify the place. But first, before you do roll them, you have to first drill the holes, planting the trees. Each tree is supposed to be planted in a 3 by 3 feet hole, 3 feet deep and 3 feet wide holes. And the purpose of maintaining this is for water retention, good soil aeration, and also for making it easy to weed and do maintenance later. First we dig the holes as you have seen, and make sure it's big because the seedlings are also big. Another reason for the holes to be big. Also big holes help the roots of the plant to spread well later and grow healthy, because it won't be struggling to penetrate the soil. There we have our hole, the finished hole to plant our seedlings. So it takes time, but you have to do it right. Then we have to lay down rocks. As you have seen, these rocks are good for the roots to cling to and also to retain water. The water seeps down and the root will follow the water. Here are our things. You have the coconut there, you have the hole with the stones, the rocks, and now this is how we place them on top the coconut seed or the seedling on top of the rocks. Then add around it the soil, the first soil, here we can see. Then after adding the first soil, we are going to add manure. Put a good amount of manure. Then add sand soil. This also sand soil helps to make the roots grow and move easily. Spread it. Then we add the mud water also, because it needs a lot of water the first time, maybe two buckets or 3, because the hole is new. Then you repeat by adding another layer of soil, specifically sand, before we add the original soil of that area around it again, that hole. But make sure not to fill it up, leave it at resemble there. Then you add also another layer of manure around it. So you see. Then put now the original soil of that area on top. Just put enough, cover the ceiling, but don't cover it too much. Then when you have put the original soil of the area, be sure you also do regular weeding around the plant in future when it grows. Also make sure you plow around using maybe a panga or a machete, just mulching. I think that's the right word. And then make sure also the place is covered and there's no animals to disturb the plants.